Hi, welcome back to CS 170. We're gonna cover named ranges. I think we've covered name ranges before in one of the earlier Excel videos, but I want to just do a quick video here to uh, look at how we can incorporate it into formulas. So I was using a named range before to do like a lookup, like a VLOOKUP and stuff like that. But we can do this in a different way too. So I've already set up like a quick little table here. So here we have the number of delayed flights, number of flights, a city, and an airline. Okay, so we're gonna go here, and under formulas, you'll see this. You'll see first a name manager, and then you can do a define name. So you can do that one by one, or you got this thing here called create from selection. So I've selected all of this. That's why I selected that. So let's do a create from selection, and I'm click this. So what I'm doing is I'm going to create these names based on the top row, these titles here. Okay, so let's do that. And there's two places you can look at to see what's been created from that. One is to go here to name manager, and then you can see this. And you can edit this too, right? So this tells you what you're calling it. There's the values and then what it refers to here. You can edit all of these guys here. Okay, you can see this here. You can see this edit here, right? You can change what it's referring to here. I'm in sheet 2, and then within the sheet 2, this is the range over here. Okay, but I think we're happy with this. The other thing you can do is you can look over here, and you can see all of it that you have here. So let's see how this would work. So let's say I want to say percentage delayed. And so I'm going to do this, and I'm going to say number. And see what happens here with Excel. It knows that you have these ranges existing, so it try to help you with some sort of like auto completion here. So you have number of delayed flights and number of flights, which is what you defined over here. And these are the new ranges that you just named here. So I'm going to say delayed flights, and then I'm going to say divided by, and I'm going to say number again. And now I want the number of flights, right? And there you go. Right, so the number of delayed flights over the number of flights, and you get that, right? It's nice because you have this and you have this, and then just because you worked on this, it kind of knows to fill all the way down here too, right? So I only worked on this one, but it knows that I'm going to basically apply this same type of calculation for these guys here, okay? And of course, if I want to convert this to a percentage, I'm back to here and here. Okay, I want to do something with the decimals. Let's do that. Okay. Uh, so hopefully this gives you a good idea of like how we can use name ranges. So I don't have to do like G2 to G4. I can just say number of delayed flights. Okay, so that's really the purpose of having these named ranges that you can do. And this is how you manage it over here under name manager. Okay, and you can see that. You can do it one by one by defining a name, or you can do it from a selection, and then you can slice and dice it however you want to do it. Okay? All right. Hopefully this is useful to you, and I'm going to try to pick up a couple more topics to put out soon. Thank you.